The 2026 Toyota Aygo X facelift brings significant updates to Toyota's compact city crossover. The big change is the transition to a hybrid-only drivetrain, replacing the previous 1.0-liter petrol engine with a 1.5-liter petrol-electric hybrid system derived from the Yaris. The new setup produces 114 bhp, a significant increase from the previous 71 bhp, allowing the Aygo X to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 10 seconds. Fuel efficiency is expected to exceed 70 mpg, with CO2 emissions as low as 86 g per kilometer, positioning it as one of the most environmentally friendly non-plug-in vehicles in its class. Externally, the Aygo X facelift features redesigned LED headlamps, a new front bumper, and a length that has been extended by 76 mm to accommodate the hybrid system. The GR Sport trim, inspired by Toyota's motorsport heritage, adds a sportier aesthetic. Inside, the cabin receives a range of upgrades, such as a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, improved sound insulation, and a wireless smartphone charger. The hybrid battery has been strategically relocated under the rear seats to optimize interior space. Built on Toyota's GAB platform, the Aygo X retains its compact dimensions, making it ideal for urban environments. The updated model includes a range of advanced features such as over-the-air software updates and the latest Toyota Safety Sense driver assistant technology. While pricing details are yet to be confirmed, a slight increase from the current starting price of £16,845 is anticipated. The 2026 Aygo X is expected to launch in the UK in late 2025, continuing to offer a blend of practicality, efficiency, and modern design for city drivers.